This is Liberty from beforeandafters.com, and I've been weeding this part of my garden on the side of the house. And I just stopped because I got some mail. I'm doing a DIY challenge with a surprise box, and mine finally came. I have less than 48 hours before I leave on a camping trip, so I hope this is something I can pull off quickly and write the post. Okay, so here's my box. It is from Jody of the House blog, and it looks like it cost about as much to mail as mine did to the person I mailed mine to. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what it is. I've already been putting some ideas in my head. Let's see if I can use this for any of them. Oh, clothespins. Well, yes, I suppose I could. Huh. Okay. Well, thank you. Now, I just have to come up with something. I could copy something someone else has done, but I'd really rather come up with my own thing. Huh. I do have a clothesline, but I already have clothespins for my clothesline. Huh. So my thoughts were, you can use almost anything and make a wreath out of it, and I've seen clothespin wreaths, but everybody does a clothespin wreath. I also thought you can take a lot of things and make a cute little planter with it. Planter, obviously, because I have a lot of plants. Okay, well, now I know how to think a little better. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Jody. Bye.